So do it now. All right, page 184 or 183, number 39. Directions say find critical numbers, increasing and decreasing intervals, and relative extrema. Okay, so it's basically walking us down the path that we've outlined before a couple times. So critical numbers would be where the derivative is 0 or undefined, and then that sort of leads us down the rest of these. But something's going on at 1, so I need to be real careful at 1. Let's first go less than 1 and greater than 1. So less than 1, f of x is 3x plus 1. So f prime is 3. So there's no critical numbers, because that's never 0, it's never undefined. So no critical numbers less than 1. Greater than 1, I don't know, but less than 1, no critical numbers to worry about. When we're greater than 1, f of x is 5 minus x squared. So that derivative would be negative 2x. That's equal to 0 at 0. But 0 isn't greater than 1, so no critical numbers greater than 1. So the only thing I'm really worried about is what's happening at 1, because that's when we change functions. So we don't know if we go from increasing to decreasing. There might even be a jump there. We don't know what's happening at x equals 1. In fact, let's just go ahead and see what's happening at x equals 1. So coming from the left, that would be 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. In fact, I think I want to just go ahead and graph this, because I can do 3x plus 1. That's that line. The closed circle right there. From the right, that's the other side. 5 minus 1 squared. That would be 4. So that's at the same spot. And 5 minus x squared is, I don't want to draw the other half of the parabola, but something like this. So it is continuous, but there's not a derivative there because it's a cusp. So let's do the number line thing with x equals 1, because that's the only potential problem child there is. Check 0 and 2. By the way, now I'm going to calculus show what I already know based on my graph. F prime is equal to 3 when I'm less than 1. It doesn't matter what it is, so it's increasing. F is increasing when x is less than 1. On the right-hand side, f prime is negative 2x. So that's negative, so it's decreasing. That completely matches what we saw, but now we can say that it increases from negative infinity to 1, and it decreases from 1 to infinity. So that was part of our answer. Going back to the question, find the critical numbers. Well, there weren't any left of 1, there weren't any right of 1, but there is a critical number at x equals 1. And then lastly, I can tell from my graph, I can tell from my number line that there's a max at 1, 4. So the The trick to the piecewise ones is you better be real careful what's going on at the spot where it potentially jumps. Well, it does jump to another function. Does it jump on the graph, or are they connected?